already tried the other Takis, the blue ones. Now I'm gonna be trying the Flamin hot Limon Doritos. Yes. Doritos. Now I think, like, in real life, this time I actually think I've had these before. But I don't remember the last time I had them. So, and I don't remember the taste of the last time I had them. So this is gonna be new to me. Oh wow. Man, this could go on for days. Forget what I just said. This is very spicy. Guys who have not had this before, I love the way they taste, but the thing is, the spiciness, 1 out of 10, I'm gonna have to go with the 10. 10 out of 10 is the spiciest rate. Woo! You're gonna try the hottest one. Take it, cameraman. This way. I don't know. It just. Sorry, guys. Okay. It tastes very good. It kind of tastes like 100-degree peppers inside of a Dorito. Yes. Bye, birds.